Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. There are like three items in here. One is the neck rest for a car, adjustable safe car seat headrest, booster seat headrest. This support your neck if you guys are having a long vacation or long drive in the car. It is awesome for kids and adults. This is black color. And then the second item is the iPhone 11 charger, USB Type-C to lightning cable, 6 feet. It support power delivery, fast charging. And you could also use as a sync cable for iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 10, 10s, 10R, 10s Max, iPhone 8, 8 Plus. You could also use it with the iPad Air, iPad Mini, iPad Pro, iPod Touch, and all of your Apple devices. Power delivery, use this cable with the USB-C power delivery charger. It includes the Apple 18 watts, 29 watts, 30 watts, 61 watts, or even 87 watts to charge your iOS devices. And it offers a lifetime warranty. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, look at the package. Nice. Oops. So I got the air bubble here. We don't need that. So this is the car seat headrest, suitable for kids and adults. And it is made in China. Adjustable car seat headrest, black color. So as you see, they got like black, red, beige, brown, and then gray color. And this is made in China. So let's go and then unbox this. Oops. Oh my God. I just ripped it. And this is an instruction on how to install. So it is in Chinese. So if you're driving a long vacation and then either your wife or your kids or your husband sleep your head sideways, and then when they woke up and then their neck start having a pain because it is not positioned or situated in the correct position. So this will help them not to have any more of those neck pain. Wow. So yeah, it's pretty padded. And this is a sturdy, strong plastic. So it's a Velcro. You can remove it and just to wipe it clean. So you got those grooves, you can adjust different position. And here's the tool with the screws and everything. And there's a cover too, a cap. And this is the headrest. I'll check it out real quick. So it says headrest. So you could put through your existing headrest if you got a narrow or the wider angle. So you need to unscrew this in order to remove this back piece. Okay, so make sure you don't lose this fine thread screw. Oops. So there are 3 of them exactly the same size. Make sure you don't lose them. And then now you gotta remove this, the back piece. So you need to just screw it on with the screw that's come with it. So you'll be needing this Allen wrench screw, and then there's a washer. And this is the cover of the cap to cover the screw. So the 2 screw and 2 washer. So these are probably in case your existing headrest is a thinner rod, you use this to make it smaller. Alright, so there's like a nipple light right here, and then there's a hole. Just push it in there like that, so make a smaller hole. Or this way. Cool. So they come with like different sizes. I believe it's like 3 different sizes. Let me check. Yeah. So there are 3 different sizes. This is the smallest, medium, and then the large. Okay. So it's 2 for each size. So after you adjust your position, and then you just put the screw in there. Okay, so screw that in, and then you put this cap on after you tied it up. So it looks like that. So let's go ahead and show you guys the lightning cable. Make sure I don't lose anything. So this is a USB cable. Make life easier. Charger and sync cable. High-speed transfer, quick charger. Durable in use, plug and play, and it is made in China. cut this open. Alright, so this is unlike the Apple one, okay? This one, according to their ad, this is a fall resistance. Oh, look at that, nice. So they did a fall resistant. Wow, pretty stiff. They have been tested for up to 150,000 times to do the bend test. Take it out real quick. Alright, so this is a USB Type-C to Lightning adapter. And then that blue tape, you could remove it, but I'm not going to remove it for now. There's a blue tape here too. And then you get the two of this for the price of one, okay? I'll be including the link that's going to show you in the description, so you guys could check them out for these two items. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.